Do you have a football which recently got punctured? Don't throw it away. In this video, I'll share a quick and easy method to fix it. Stay tuned till the end. The first step is to dip your ball into a bucket filled with water to check the position of the puncture. Then, dry the hole with a cloth and apply some Fevikwik to it. I'll put a link in the description to buy it. Wait for it to dry. If the hole is too big, you can place a tissue paper and then apply the Fevikwik. Once that's done, you can now fill in air into it. And you're good to go. That's it for this week. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.